Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to my channel. We will learn about how machines have helped farmers do their work faster and better. In this video, we'll show you how it works. It's really amazing. Really cool and powerful farming machines to show you. They are so amazing that you won't be able to look away. If you like what you see, make sure to click the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Now, get ready to see a really big and strong machine in action. It weighs a lot, 76 tons to be exact. This machine can cut through almost anything with its blade. It can cut huge logs and strong materials without any problem. It's so impressive. Come with us as we learn more about this awesome machine and see how well it cuts. You won't want to miss out on seeing its power and precision. It's like a heavyweight champion. The person in charge of the machine picks the job and decides how big it should be. Then, the machine takes over and cuts the tree into smaller pieces all by itself. We have an amazing video that shows how well the machine works and how it can do different things. Even though it looks like a regular saw, it's actually really powerful and can do a lot. We'll show you how good it is at cutting and how well it works. You won't want to miss it. Get ready to be amazed by how strong and accurate it is. Picture having these awesome gadgets and all the things you can do with them. If I could choose, I would go on an exciting 24-hour adventure driving a chainsaw. I can cut through anything that gets in my way. It might sound wild, but it's really exciting. Soil thermal treatment is when we heat up the soil really hot to get rid of bad bugs and germs that can make plants sick. We use steam or other heat sources to do this. Look, there's a really cool tractor that is super strong and can do a lot of important jobs on the farm. It can carry food from the farm, tell stories, and help with other farm work. It's really powerful and amazing. And guess what? There's also a really big robot created by an engineer named Jonathan Tibbett. It's called a prosthesis, and it's like a huge racing machine. It's the first of its kind, and it's really special because it does things that no other robot can do. It's a really big achievement. The big and fast mech was made for racing and will definitely make people look at it because it's so cool. Oxbow has been making helpful machines for farmers for a really long time. They are always there to support the machines they make. In 2010, a machine called the Oxbow 6420 was really popular in the United States for picking olives. It was made in America, and a lot of people bought it. Get ready to watch an exciting video with a really cool yellow machine that will amaze you. Get ready to watch this big machine with long arms. Get ready to take on a huge pile of potatoes. We are getting more and more excited as we go through each part. Watch as the potatoes are quickly and perfectly put onto a crate using a moving belt. This process is really amazing because it works well and keeps everything clean. And guess what? The machines that gather crops never stop working. They keep going all the time. Get ready to be really excited as we watch these amazing machines work really hard. We can't wait to see the yellow machine do some really cool things. It will be so interesting to see how well all the machines work together. It will be a lot of fun to watch from beginning to end. A company called Farm Services in California made a special machine that could spray plants in gardens without needing a person to control it. It is the first of its kind in the world. This machine helps make spraying plants faster and better by not needing a person to do it. The machine has special tools and sensors that help it make a very detailed map of the area it needs to spray. Then, it can move around by itself and spray the crops very accurately. It's like a big helper that can quickly dig up a tree and move it to a different spot. We're going to see something really cool, a machine that cuts down trees. Get ready for a different view. This really strong machine, when it works with a crane, looks like a super smart robot that can do a lot of work really well. The person in charge of the train sits in a special room and controls it. They make it look really easy and smooth. We have a really cool saw that you can use to cut wood. The machine we're talking about is called the CTR 800H. It's really powerful and makes cutting trees into smaller pieces much easier. This amazing machine can cut down any tree without any problems. Come watch and see how it easily cuts down trees. Get ready to be amazed by how well it works and how accurately it cuts trees. By how accurate a special saw can be in a video. The whole process happens by itself without needing anyone to control it. Making sure that things are done exactly the same way every time so that we can get accurate and reliable results. Come watch how it works and see how it's changing the way we cut and shape wood. You won't want to miss it. So don't forget to leave a comment. How do you feel after watching our video? We really want to know what you think. Remember to leave a comment before you leave. And of course, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing day, take care, and goodbye now until the next video.